So, myself Manjula Athani. Now, today we shall study about this serial number 8, that is practical number 10. Practical number 10 is of using constructors. That is practical number 10. Develop a program for implementation of constructors and multiple constructors. So before that, we'll see that what you mean by constructor and all this. Practical significance. Constructors in Java or any programming language is a special type of method that is used to initialize the object. Different types of constructors are used to initialize the object in different ways. The students will able to use different types of constructors for creating the object. Is it clear what you mean by constructor? Constructor is a special type of method, so having the same name as that of the class name. There are different types of constructors. So develop relevant course outcome, develop a programs using object-oriented methodology in Java, practical outcomes, develop a programs for implementation of single constructors and multiple constructors. So what you mean by the minimum theoretical background required for this practical is default constructor. So what you mean by the constructor? Class name is same as that of the method name. Default constructor means the constructor which does not have any arguments. So class name and the inside this class statements for initialize the data members. Parameterized constructor means class name followed by the parameter list. We will see the example here. And next, does the constructor return any value? Specify the situation when the default constructor is provided by the system. Specify the situation when the default constructor is explicitly defined, and how does the overloading can be done. So we'll see one by one. Does the constructor return any value? No, constructor does not return any value. Specify the situation when the default constructor is provided by the system. Java automatically creates default constructor if there is no default or parameterized constructor is written by the user. When the user is not written any parameterized constructor, the compiler will automatically create the default constructor. Default constructor in Java initializes the member data variable to the default values. Next question, specify the situation when the parameterized constructor is called in the class. A constructor with arguments is known as a parameterized constructor. The parameterized constructor is used to provide different values to the distinct object. You can provide the same values also. Constructor with different parameters is called parameterized constructor. How constructor overloading is done? In Java, we can overload a constructor like methods. The constructor overloading can be done as the concept of having more than one constructor with different parameters so that every constructor can perform a different task. So here example is there. We'll see the example. So experiment number 8 is there. I will run the program first. So Java C exp8.java and then so we will execute using interpreter, that is Java is an interpreter. So the values are 111, current 0 and 222 are and 25. See here exp25, integer id, string name and integer age. These are the class variables. And here the constructor with two arguments. So here the constructor means what? Class name is same as the method, which is having the same name as that of the class name. So exp8 having the two arguments. These are the local variables. These local variables you have to assign to the class variables. So we are assigning. And after that you can create the one more constructor having the three parameters. So id, I, name, n and age. So this constructor is having the one more parameter, that is a 3, and then it is display method is there. This method is printing id, name and age. Here we are passing the values. Here the constructor with the two parameters are there. One is you are not passing any, so default value is there, that is 0 is there. The default value for integer is 0, and this constructor is having the three arguments that it will call this one and will assign that will assign these values. So s1 dot display, s2 dot display. So that is what about the practical number or